An integral part of the GFS plan is a results-based timetable that outlines each priority step and process, with information on who is involved, which agency and subunit, what measurable outcomes or results are sought, and by what date. It could also add the status of implementation and risks and assumptions associated with the achievement of each result, as well as the resources that are expected to be needed. In all cases, the GFS plan should be adequately ambitious, while at the same time set realistic and achievable targets. As the GFS plan is implemented, this timetable and the targeted results should be revised and kept up to date. To illustrate such a timetable, let us look at an extract of a hypothetical results-based GFS plan and timetable. Note that the illustration in the table only refers to two high-level results on institutional coverage and source data, respectively. For each high-level result that is being targeted, the table should have at least one specific concrete action, but may have several actions. In our table, the second result on source data has two specific actions for the budgetary and extra-budgetary central government, respectively. Each specific action should be associated with a high or medium priority, shown in the first column. Low priorities would not make it into the table. The description of the specific action is shown in the second column. These actions should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. In other words, it should be possible to verify if a specific action has been accomplished or not, shown in the third column. In addition, the action should be within the power of the authorities and respective agencies to achieve with reasonable success and within a realistic amount of time, given resource and other constraints. The table connects each specific result to a target completion date, shown in the fourth column. In the fifth column, the table shows the agencies involved, indicating the lead agency or person. This helps with accountability when implementing the action plan. The sixth column registers the date when the action was completed, and the last column contains notes on the status of the work and progress to date, as well as risks and assumptions. All the information can be revised as the work on the GFS plan proceeds, which may require changes to the assumptions, target dates, or even to the specific results being targeted. A GFS plan and timetable should contain these ingredients, although it's not necessary to organise the information in this format or using the same sequence of columns. However, once documented, those involved in developing and maintaining the GFS plan results-based timetable should stick to the same organisational structure, so that all stakeholders can follow and document progress efficiently and transparently.